Hello there, my name is Omkar Sharma. Welcome to my channel The Health Wish. In this channel you will find some genuine reviews and genuine talks about some health related products out there. In this video we are going to discuss about how Ikaria Lean Belly Juice works. What is the exact thing Ikaria Lean Belly Juice do with your body so that it will help you to lose your belly fat. What is the use of this powder, so called Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, in your body? We will find out in this video. So let's get straight into it. So there is a toxic lipid molecule out there, and that is very common in overweighted people, and the name of this toxic lipid molecule is ceramides. There are positive effects of these ceramides in your body. Ceramides are fat or lipid that are found in skin cells. They make up to 30% to 40% of your outer skin layer or epidermis. Ceramides are important for retaining your health, moisture, and preventing the entry of germs into your body. Ceramides hold skin cells firmly together in the uppermost skin layer. This not keeps the fluid in the skin but also protect it from allergens and external aggressors. Functioning skins. This ceramides thing is good for your skin, outermost layer or your skin. But it is literally a very toxic thing when it comes to your health, when it comes to your weight, when it comes to your fat, belly fat, your cravings, habits, etc. Why I am saying this? Let me explain you. Like cholesterol, ceramides are sticky, greasy molecules that helps maintain cells membranes and perform other critical life-sustaining tasks. In excessive amounts, both substances can wreak havoc on the cardiovascular system, promoting the accumulation of plaque in your arterial walls. It forces the fat cells to split into your bloodstream straight after you eat. This toxic fat can accumulate around your vital organs, your livers, pancreas, your heart, and even your arteries. When these vital organs are clogged with fat, your metabolism will slows to a crawl and your fat burning hormones almost completely shut down. Your body switches to starving mode. When is your body start storing fat on your belly, back, buns, thighs, and hips, etc. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is a potent blend of exhaustive nutrients specifically developed to rid your body of a newly discovered root cause of stubborn fat accumulation, destructive ceramides compound. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice flushes out ceramides and renews your body from within, allowing you to dissolve stubborn clogged fat easily and flood your body with new found energy and vitality. So this is the main task of this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. It will remove the ceramides compound from your body, extra ceramides compound from your body, and as you know, if having something much more than it needed, it is literally a very critical thing. So this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice will help you to remove the ceramides compound from your body, and after the removal of ceramides compound from your body will feel, you will feel yourself less starving. So it is simple. If you eat less, you will gain less weight. This is the main function of this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. You know, if you want to remove something from your life, you just find the root cause of it and remove the root, and the complete tree of the thing, you know, the complete thing will remove from your life. So maybe this ceramide compound is the root cause of your belly fat. So you can try this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice if you want to. And you know, this formula is prepared in GMP certified facilities in United States using modern equipment and machineries, and it is FDA approved as well. And they are giving 180 days money back guaranteed. If you don't like Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, or if it doesn't work for you, you can just return it within 130 days of buying it. So if you want to try this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, make sure to click the link in the description. It will redirect you to my page, and you will find everything you need to know about Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, the pros of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, the cons of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, and the reviews of some real users, and my personal review of this Ikaria Lean Belly Juice as well. And you will get 77% off price. So if you want to check out Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and you want to get 77% discount, then click the link in the description. And thanks for watching this video. If the information was informative to you, then like the video and subscribe to this channel for more genuine talks like this, and take care. I will see you in a bit.